The microloading secret to reverse muscle atrophy without straining your heart, and why this quiet strategy is changing how smart people rebuild strength after 40, 50, even 60. Most people think getting stronger means lifting heavy, pushing hard, and exhausting your body. But that approach is exactly what causes many people to quit, get injured, or worse, stress their heart in ways they didn't expect. What if the real answer isn't lifting heavier, but lifting smarter? That's where microloading comes in. It sounds simple, almost too simple, but that's what makes it powerful. Microloading is the practice of increasing resistance in extremely small amounts over time, sometimes as little as half a kilo, instead of making big jumps that shock your body. And here's what most people don't realize. Your muscles don't actually need massive weight to grow. They need consistent tension, gradual progression, and recovery. That's it. When you suddenly jump from, say, 5 kilograms to 10 kilograms, your body doesn't just adapt, it panics. Your joints take extra stress, your form breaks down, and your cardiovascular system works harder than it should, especially if you're not conditioned for it. But when you increase slowly, almost invisibly, your body adapts without resistance. Your muscles rebuild, your tendons strengthen, your nervous system becomes more efficient, and your heart? It stays in a safe, controlled zone instead of spiking under pressure. This is especially important as you age, because muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, isn't just about looking weaker. It's directly linked to fatigue, poor balance, slower metabolism, and even reduced lifespan. But here's the hopeful part. Muscle loss is reversible, not with extreme workouts, not with punishing routines, but with consistency and intelligent progression. That's the real secret. Imagine this: instead of trying to prove your strength in one workout, you build it quietly over weeks. You add just a little more weight, one more rep, a slightly longer hold. These tiny wins compound, and over time, they create massive change. It's like interest in a bank account, but for your body. And the best part, you reduce the risk of injury while still signaling your muscles to grow. Because your body doesn't respond to ego, it responds to stimulus, controlled, repeatable stimulus. Even something as simple as holding light dumbbells for longer, doing slow repetitions, or increasing resistance bands gradually can activate muscle fibers deeply without putting unnecessary strain on your heart. This is how people rebuild strength after setbacks, after illness, after years of inactivity. They don't rush, they rebuild. And that's the mindset shift most people need. You're not chasing exhaustion, you're chasing adaptation. You're teaching your body to trust movement again, to get stronger without fear, to progress without pain. And once that trust is built, everything changes. Your energy improves, your posture stabilizes, your confidence returns, because strength isn't just physical, it's psychological. It's knowing your body can handle life again. So, if you've been avoiding exercise because it feels overwhelming, or if heavy lifting feels risky, understand this. You don't need to go big to get strong. You just need to go consistent. Start small, progress slowly. Let your body catch up, because real strength isn't built in a day. It's built in decisions you repeat daily. And microloading? That's how you make those decisions count without ever putting your heart under unnecessary stress.